Okay, now we've let that lacquer surface dry. We've got a nice hard finish. You can see kind of a halo effect all around. And that's where the spray is mixed with the surrounding finish, and we want to try and blend that together. So we're going to do that by rubbing it out a little bit. And we're going to take a little bit of compound and some steel wool. Just work that in all the way around the surface. Again, we want to keep always rubbing with the grain. When in doubt, rub with the grain, which is pretty much everything we do. It's kind of a light pressure. I don't want to put a lot of pressure in it. And then after I get it worked in good, I'm going to take a dry, clean rag and just kind of buff it a little bit. We're just trying to meld those two finishes together so it kind of disappears. Now, you can kind of see the surface again, and the halo's kind of gone. It's blended in with the rubbing and the compound and the steel wool. It's a combination of everything. And all we have left to do now is just polish the whole surface and bring up the sheen and make it all look like the rest of the piece of furniture wherever this damage may have occurred, be it on the front, drawer, side, top. We want to make all the area blend together. So that'll be done next in the polishing stage.